What's up, guys? In today's video, we're going to be doing the weekly recap of the stat modeling strategy. Today's April 10th of 2021, and we're going to go over all of the plays from the market from this week. So this week was not a good week for the swings. We definitely had a drawdown this week, which is not good to see, but at the end of the day, for since the beginning of March, we are still up, which is good to see. If you would have put about $500 in every single play, the overall total profit and loss would be around $334 of profit, which is good to see. So a $3,000 account would be up around 11%. So we are still in the green, which is great to see, and that's not even including the theta strategies. So if we go to the theta strategies, we can see that those have been basically going straight up. Here are all of the premium selling plays for the past couple months, which is awesome to see. These are assuming about a 10,000 collateral in each play. Of course, if you put 1,000 collateral in each play, or 5,000, then the profit and loss would adjust accordingly. But for the most part, the premium selling ideas have been pretty golden, and there was really only one quote-unquote loss, and that was with DraftKings. But at the end of the day, in my opinion, DraftKings is an amazing company to hold for the long term. They really haven't been doing anything for the past 2 to 3 weeks, and then we are still waiting on the March Madness numbers, you can say, to see how much money was wagered on March Madness. I saw somewhere that I think there was a 559% increase in app downloads because of March Madness. Oh yeah, look at right here. March Madness drives 559% surge in sports betting app downloads. So obviously that's going to be great for DraftKings. And with everything they have going on right now, like with their deals with the UFC, UFC, WrestleMania, and like a bunch of other catalysts, I think they're going to be totally fine for a long-term hold. And I am a huge fan of them. So, really when you're selling puts especially, yes, technically you can lose, but it's kind of a weird loss because you just pick up shares at a low price. So with everything with cash secured puts, I've been doing a ton of research on them for a while now, and I'm just really excited to focus more on them because even when you lose, you lose, but you're just picking up shares. And if you like that company for the long term anyways, that short-term loss can end up being a huge long-term winner. So I'm definitely so excited to continue the research and, posting more cash secured put setups, which is awesome to see. If you are in the group, you can see I posted just kind of like a giant analysis tab of a bunch of different puts and things that I've been messing around with. So I'm just going to be posting more of those and updates with that strategy. But overall, the premium selling has been doing extremely well, as we can see. The buying and selling like swing trades, it's been doing okay. The past 2 weeks, I'd say it's definitely been a drawdown. But for over the past month, we are up, which is great to see. But yeah, that's the main thing. We are going to be focusing more, or at least I'm going to be posting more setups with premium selling. I love the concept of, 1 time's on your side. You don't really have to predict direction. And even if you lose, you're just picking up shares for the long term. And because implied volatility is historically greater than realized volatility, historically, premium sellers or those who sell options have an edge. So with that being said, we're always adding new things to the Discord. Like I talked about in Friday in the Discord, I've been developing a new algorithm just to help people find some more cash secured put setups. I know, like for some people, like let's say they want to sell a cash secured put on Penn, right? Penn right now is at $104, and if you want to sell the 100 strike cash secured put, you need about 10 grand. So I'm basically writing a couple different programs that all work together to find stocks where you might not need 10,000 to sell puts, but maybe only 2,000, where you can actually still get some good premiums, you can say. Like CLOV, this is cash secured put that we were playing on Friday. We can see that they're only around $8.21, and their IV is relatively high. So long story short, I'm going to be focusing more on writing different, I guess you could say, algorithms for premium selling. And my goal is to have the first prototype of the put selling version of that released Hopefully by the end of next week, that's the goal, and we should be able to have the first version released. But besides that, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. If you want to learn more about the strategy, you can click the first link in the description down below. But other than that, thanks for watching.